When a restaurant that's flourished for 30 years suddenly shuts its doors, it's rarely just about bad luck. It's a signal. When that owner cites economic pressures that made survival impossible, we have to ask, what is fundamentally shifting in the business environment? Welcome. I'm Andrew Kay, and today we're examining the massive economic forces currently reshaping California's fast food sector, a transformation affecting 500,000 workers and tens of thousands of businesses. The catalyst, Assembly Bill 1228. To understand the why, we look at April 1st, 2024. California implemented a targeted minimum wage increase, jumping from $16 to $20 an hour for large fast food chains. That's a 25% increase overnight. Economists call this a natural experiment, and the data coming back is sobering. 3 major studies have analyzed the fallout. The National Bureau of Economic Research found the sector lost about 18,000 jobs compared to national trends. Beacon Economics estimated losses even higher, at over 23,000 positions. Even the Berkeley Research Group, commissioned by the very labor groups that fought for the wage hike, documented over 10,000 job losses. They described it as the steepest decline in the sector this century, outside of the Great Recession and the pandemic. The preemptive strike and the fallout. The cuts actually began before the law even took effect. In late 2023, Pizza Hut franchises across Southern California eliminated over 1,200 delivery driver positions, outsourcing the work to third-party apps like DoorDash and Uber Eats. Then came the closures. Rubio's Coastal Grill, a San Diego staple since the 80s, abruptly closed 48 locations and filed for bankruptcy. The reason? A perfect storm of rising utility costs, remote work patterns, and the new wage mandates. The human dimension. It's easy to get lost in the numbers, but consider the story of a Foster's Freeze in Limar, California. On April 1st, the day the wage hike hit, the owner sent a text to her staff. The restaurant was closing permanently. The assistant general manager, Monica Navarro, noted a heartbreaking irony. Many employees said they would have preferred their old $16 an hour wage over having no job at all. For those who kept their jobs, the raise was often an illusion. 89% of workers surveyed by the Competitive Enterprise Institute reported reduced hours. Many found that $20 an hour at 20 hours a week actually results in a smaller paycheck than $16 an hour at 35 hours. The price we pay. The costs haven't just disappeared, they've moved to the menu. Between 2023 and 2024, California restaurant prices surged by 14.5%, nearly double the national average. Chipotle raised prices by up to 7% in a single week. McDonald CEO Chris Kempczynski admitted that for families earning under $45,000, home cooking is becoming the only viable option. When a brand built on affordable convenience is no longer affordable, the market has fundamentally shifted. Adaptation or exit. Not everyone is closing down. Some operators, like Carrie Harper Howie, who owns 21 McDonald's locations, are fighting back through extreme efficiency. They are scrutinizing everything, from condiment usage to portion control, to protect razor-thin margins. But the broader reality is clear. California's fast food industry is undergoing a structural transformation. It's a trade-off between higher hourly pay and employment security. Final thoughts. This situation is a masterclass in unintended consequences. As other states look to California as a blueprint, the data we're seeing here will likely define the national debate for years to come. I'm Andrew K. Wallace. If you found this analysis helpful, please subscribe and hit the notification icon to stay informed on the economic trends shaping our world. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you noticed your local favorites cutting hours or raising prices lately? Let's talk about it below. Thank you for watching.